So this message is for brand new agents, right? If you're not a lead generator, you're gonna be a hobbyist. So they taught you everything that you need to know to pass a test, and then you went and took a state test and you passed that. Congratulations. How do we make money? Well, someone might have bought you a sandwich at school and told you how great their company was, but essentially you're gonna help make the owner of that company as rich as possible, along with everybody else that you see every day. You are surrounded by your competitors, and most of these brokerages are gonna wanna bring you over at a very low commission split, and you're gonna rely on one person to help you, a spread thin broker in charge. At eXp, it's a totally different setup. First of all, you come over as a shareholder, so you're gonna earn stock in a publicly traded company with the 5 ways that we earn stock here. 2, we have 50 to 100 hours of live education to teach you everything under the sun: how to get listings, how to work buyers, how to fill out contracts, personality tests, farming, geo-farming, social media, video, how to prospect, how to build funnels, Facebook ads, anything that people are using right now, not in 1975, all available for you for free, no cost. Guess who's teaching it? The top 1% of producers at eXp in the nation are the teachers. In addition, you get a mentor for your first 3 deals. Your first 3 deals, not only do you have one of our 9 broker in charges in North Carolina, but you also have an assigned mentor who's been certified to help you through those first 3 transactions. And don't get me wrong, they know that you're gonna be writing deals at 8 o'clock at night and on weekends. This is around the clock help for you. They get a 10% paid by eXp on each deal that you do for the first 3 deals. So they have a financial interest to make sure that we get these deals written properly and closed properly. After those 3 deals, you graduate to an 80-20 commission split. And then when you pay your $16,000 cap in, you're at 100%. Essentially what I'm saying is you're exactly at the same commission split that the whole country is once those 3 deals are in the bank. So you don't have to go to your broker in charge and plead for a raise. You don't have to deal with confrontation. You don't have to start at 50-50. You don't have to do any of that. I would seriously tap into the 40,000 hours of live training archived by agents that are doing 2,000 or 3,000 transactions a year versus the agent that hasn't done a transaction in 9 years that is managing a large group of people in your office. New agents, eXp is here and built for you.